We're in a beautiful location of Sandy Bay today where I'm going to make a gorgeous vegetarian salad for you. Grab yourself a large aubergine and slice it lengthwise. Then drizzle it with some soy sauce. Place these on the grill to barbecue and do the same with 2 whole mushrooms. Now slice a tomato into thick slices and place them on the barbecue. Next, deseed a long red pepper, cut it in half and grill it on the barbecue with the rest of your vegetables. Grab a bowl of lamb's lettuce, rocket and salad leaves and slice a red onion and fresh radishes to add to the bowl. Finally, place your grilled veg on top. And hey ho presto, bon appetit!